First thing first, I'm gonna be using the Pale Louise base to prime my eyes. I'm gonna be using the Morphe E2 toothbrush to blend it out. The C4, so I'm gonna pack that into my crease, and I'm gonna be using the Morphe 503 brush. The A5, I'm gonna be using the Morphe E18 brush and try blending it together. So I like the yellow because it's easy to blend. Secondly, I don't like the yellow because it has a lot of fallout, and when you pack it in the brush, it doesn't really stay the way you want it to stay. It kind of really fall out, so you have to pack more. Then I'm gonna go in with the C4 color. Then I'm gonna go in with the C1. It's kind of like a shimmer gold color or shimmer silver color. Done with the look and everything. I'm just gonna put on my lashes and my highlights, and I'll work back.